Greetings, mathematicians. Welcome to another episode of Math Help. Today we're talking about our homework that's over the percent proportion. Each one of these problems can be solved with this tool that we use pretty much for every percent problem that we're going to solve from now till the end of the year. The percent proportion is outlined as, for each problem, put your part as a ratio over the whole equal to the percent over 100. It's best to explain this by going over a problem. So let's look at number 4. In problem number 4, we have some people going out to dinner. And the problem tells us that they leave a 15% tip and that they spend $28 on the meal. And we want to solve for how much do they need to leave for a tip. What is 15% of $28? So the first thing we need to do is identify in our proportion where should these numbers go. I remember that the percent should go over 100, so we're going to put our percent right here. Look at that 5, that's nice. And then I remember that the whole number should go on the bottom. The total that they spent on the meal is $28. It's going to go down here. The amount that they leave for a tip is going to be part. And so it's going to go on top. The amount they leave for the tip there is going to be X. We don't know what it is. We're going to solve for it. We solve for X in a proportion typically by finding the cross products, by cross multiplying. So we're going to cross multiply 15 times 28, which is 420, and 100 times X, which is 100 X's. In order to now solve for this X, just like with any equation, we would divide to get the X by itself. In this case, we want to cancel out that 100, so we're going to divide by 100. If we do it to one side, we must do it to the other side as well. These hundreds over here will cancel out. We have left on that side only X. And our answer is 420 divided by 100, which happens to be $4.20. This nice family will spend $4.20 in tip for their $28 meal. Way to go, family. Hey there, you lot. Today, we're going to talk about number 8 today. Like it's a different day. Number 8. In number 8, I specifically wanted to cover this one because of this capital word not that's in number 8 and how this will change our problem. If we read our problem about number 8, it's about a test, and on the test 85% of the questions were gotten correct, and there were 60 questions on the test. We want to use our percent proportion to solve for how many questions in the test were not correct. I'm going to go ahead and put in the numbers I know. I know that the whole number of questions was 60. I also know that 85% were correct. But hold on, we can't just put 85 over 100. If 85% were correct, and I want to solve for how many are not correct, I'm going to need to write down the percent that he missed. If he got 85% correct, then 15% of the test was not correct. We're also still looking for how many questions were incorrect. We don't know what that is, so we're going to represent it with an X. Now we have a nice proportion that we can solve by cross multiplying. 15 times 60 is 900. X times 100 is 100 X's, all living in Texas. In order to solve this problem, we are going to divide both sides by 100. When we do that, the hundreds cancel out. What we have left on this side is a big old X. And all of you know, just like every creature of the forest, 900 divided by 100 is 9. Our lad answered 9 questions incorrectly. Good luck on your rest of your homework, guys. See you tomorrow.